Welcome back, student. Today we are going to consider some problems of physics. Let's have brainstorming over the problem first. A current of 0.4 ampere flows through a conductor. For 5 minutes, how much charge would have passed through the conductor? My dear student, we have a value 0.4 ampere. A. Ampere is a unit of current given. So, we can write current is equal to 0.4 ampere. The second value which is given 5 minutes. Minutes means time. T is equal to 5 minutes. These minutes we have to convert it into second. So T is equal to 5 into 60 seconds. T is equal to 5 6 are 30, 300 seconds. Minutes we have converted into second. Find the charge, and charge is denoted by capital Q. We have to find. My dear student, we know a formula. I is equal to Q upon T. We have to find Q. So Q is equal to I into T. Q is equal to current is 0.4 into time is 300 seconds. Now my dear student, in order to remove a decimal point, we will multiply it by 10. Q is equal to 0.4 into 10. We will divide it also by 10 into 300. By doing this, we have removed the decimal point. So 0.4 will be 4 divided by 10 into 300. 0, 0, cancel. Q is equal to 4 into 30. 30 into 4 4 0 0, 4 3 12. Q is equal to 120 and the unit for charge is coulomb. How much charge would have passed through the conductor? The charge passed through the conductor is 120 coulomb. We'll see the next problem. Problem number 2. Let's have brainstorming over the problem first. If a charge of 120 coulomb flows through a conducting wire in 5 minutes, what is the value of the current? My dear student, here one value is given, that is 420 coulomb, and we know that coulomb is a unit of charge, that is Q. Q is equal to 420 coulomb. The second value is given 5 minutes, and minute is a value of time. So T is equal to 5 minutes. Minutes we have to convert it into second, therefore 5 into 60 seconds is equal to 5 6 is 30, that is 300 seconds. So here we have converted minute into second. Now my dear student, what is the value of current? We have to find I. We all know the formula. I is equal to Q upon T. Charge is 420 and time is 300 seconds. 0 0 cut is equal to 42 upon 30. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 15s are is equal to 21 upon 50. 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15. I I I is equal to 7 by 5. Let's divide. 7, 5. 5 ones are 5. 2.05 4s are 20. 0, 0. I is equal to 1.4 ampere. What is the value of current? The value of current is equal to 1.4 ampere. Let's see the next problem. Let's have brainstorming over the problem. An electric charge of 15 coulomb passes through the cross section of a wire in 1 minute. Find the current through the wire. My dear student, we are given two values. One is 15 coulomb, and coulomb is a unit of charge, and therefore given we'll write Q is equal to 15 C. The second value which is given to us is time, 1 minute. So we'll write T is equal to 1, but time we have to convert it into second, so we'll write it as 60 seconds. Time we have converted from minute to second. Find the current. R we have to find. My dear student, we know the formula. I is equal to Q upon T. We'll put the value 15 and time is what? 60. 15 was the 15, 15, 4 the 60. 1 by 4. Let's divide. 4 zeros are 0, 1, 0, 4, 2s are 8, 2, we'll put 0, 4, 5s are 20, 0, 0. So I is equal to 0.25 and the unit of current is ampere. Therefore, the current passing through the wire is 0.25 ampere. Let's study the next problem. Problem number 4. Let's have brainstorming over the problem. A wire carries a current of 0.1 ampere. Calculate the charge passing through the cross section of the wire in 2 minutes. My dear student, here we have two values given. One is 0.1 ampere. So it is current. I is equal to 0.1 ampere. Second is 2 minutes. So time is given. T is equal to 2 minutes. But minutes we have to convert it into seconds. So we'll write 2 into 60. So time is equal to 120 seconds. We have converted minute into second. Calculate the charge means Q we have to find. Current is equal to charge upon time. We have to find charge. Q is equal to I into T. The value of current is equal to 0.1 into time is equal to 120. Again, my dear student, here we have to remove point. So what we will do? 0.1 into 10 upon 10 into 120 Q. Q is equal to, point is removed, so 1 upon 10 into 120. 0, 0 cut. So Q is equal to 12. And the unit of charge is coulomb. Therefore, the charge passing through the cross section of the wire in 2 minutes is 12 coulomb. Answer. We'll see the next problem. Problem number 5. A current of 0.1 ampere passes through a copper wire for 40 for 40 seconds. Find the charge flowing through the cross section of the wire during this time, and the number of electrons carrying it. Let's have brainstorming over the problem first. A current of 0.1 ampere passes through a copper wire for 40 seconds. Find the charge flowing through the cross section of the wire during this time, and the number of electrons carrying it. So we have to find charge and also the number of electrons flowing through it. We have two values, 0.1 ampere and 40 seconds. So, my dear student, first we'll write down what is given to us. Given ampere means current. Current is equal to 0.1 ampere. Time, second instance, time is equal to 40 seconds. We have to find the charge. Q is equal to question mark. My dear student, we know R is equal to Q upon T. We can write it in this way. Q is equal to I into T. Q is equal to I is what? 0.1 and time is what? 40 seconds. We have to remove the point. So we will write here 0.1 into 10 upon 10 into 40 Q. Point is removed. Q is equal to 1 upon 10 into 40. 0, 0 cut. Q is equal to 1 into 4 is 4 coulomb. Now my dear student, we have find out the charge and the answer is charge is equal to 4 coulomb. Now we have to find out number of electrons. We have to find out number of electrons. Therefore, number of electrons is equal to total charge divided by charge carried by 1 electron. Therefore, number of electrons is equal to total charge. We have found out 4, and charge carried by 1 electron is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. The charge carried by 1 electron is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. I will try to solve this. Is equal to, we'll remove this point, 4 into 10 upon 1.6 into 10, and this into 10 to the power minus 19 will write as it is. Number of electrons is equal to 10 into 4, 40 upon point is removed, 16 into 10 to the power minus 19. Number of electrons is equal to 2 20s are, 2 8s are, 2 10s are, 2 4s are, 2 5s are, 2 2s are. So number of electron is equal to 5 upon 2 into 10 to the power minus 19. Number of electrons is equal to 5 upon 2 into 10 to the power minus 19. Number of electrons is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 to the 4.5, 2.5 divided by 10 to the power minus 19. Now, my dear student, this 10 to the power minus 19, we can take it up and the value will become number of electron is equal to 2.5 into 10 to the power plus 19. The charge flowing through a copper wire is 4 coulomb and the number of electrons are 2.5 into 10 to the power 19. That's all, students. We'll stop here.